Welcome to the IT 500 IT Support A+ course. The purpose of this video is to show you the structure of this course and how to navigate it. When you log into the course, you will find a home page like this, with Homebase, graded assessments, learning content, and progress. You will also be able to view your recent activity, and access the syllabus. Let's click Learning Content to access the learning materials. You will find the course menu. This course has 4 modules: Introduction to Course, Basic Concepts in IT Support, Core 1, and Core 2. Let's begin with Introduction to Course. Each module is broken up into lessons, followed by sections, and then activities. Let's click You have arrived. You will find a page like this with the table of contents in the left-hand navigation and the learning materials on the right. The left navigation displays the structure and is available from any page within the course. To move through the activities, use the left navigation, or click the Next and Previous buttons at the top or bottom of the page. Just deselect the menu to hide the left navigation. The Introduction to Course begins with a course overview and video. Next, you will be introduced to your Calbright IT Pathway instructors and get more details about academic success counselors and academic support services. Your instructor has a message for you. You will also meet your fellow learners in the first discussion board of the course. You will learn about the key course assignments and assessments, and how they are evaluated. Make sure you keep these details in mind. Information on CompTIA and CertMaster is next. A self-assessment activity concludes this module. Basic Concepts in IT Support begins with a pre-assessment on the module topics. Every module begins with a module overview, which displays the module objectives and important module assignments and assessments. Go through the learning materials and complete all the activities. Milestone checks are located at the end of the relevant lessons throughout this course. These are application-based activities that help you validate what you have learned. Refer to the rubrics. The performance level descriptions explain the evaluation parameters. Your instructors will use them as a standardized way of reviewing your submissions. Let's move on to Core 1 and Core 2. These cover topics across all objectives on the CompTIA A+ 1101 and 1102 exam, including hardware and software support and troubleshooting, operating systems, networking, security, mobile devices, virtualization and cloud computing, and operational procedures. Each lesson starts with a pre-assessment. If your score is equal to or greater than 80%, you are not required to complete the lesson content and you can directly move on to the lab for that lesson. However, if you score below 80%, you need to complete all portions of the lesson. Please note that completion of labs is a requirement for this course. Let's explore a topic. Each topic consists of a brief overview and a pro tip from an expert in the field. You will find links to associated resources in CompTIA CertMaster. All the links will open in new windows. Complete the CertMaster tasks and close the window to return to this course. The Learning Journal is an important course feature. Use it to make notes for yourself, flag topics for revision, or record your questions. Click the Learning Journal icon. Select Add Journal Entry. Type in the field. And then click Add. Learning Journal entries are saved under the activity title, and you can access them from My Toolkit. Another key course feature is Discussion Board. To get the most out of this course, be sure to respond to the discussion prompts. To post, click the discussion board icon, Select the type, and select Create Post. Type in the field, and then click Post. Discussion board post can be accessed from My Toolkit. For a direct discussion with your instructor, use the Ask an Expert option. This is also available in the public discussion board. After the topics, you'll find the lesson wrap-up. Complete any additional learning materials available here. Lab work activities are available at the end of lessons. You are required to complete them. Lab work activities will open in a new window. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the labs may take a bit of time to open as the content loads. The labs allow you to gain hands-on experience, and practice the skills you have learned with real equipment and software in a virtual environment. You can select from Tutorial, Explore, and Assisted modes. Answer the questions on the lab work and submit to receive a grade. Then, close the window to return to the course. Performance-based questions or PBQs are the final activities in the lessons. PBQs allow you to try out different problem-solving techniques. You must score 80% or higher on all the PBQs in order to unlock the final assessments of the course. Complete the activity and close the window to return to the course. End of module summative assessments will allow you to demonstrate mastery of the competencies. The summative assessments consist of a capstone project and a final assessment. The final assessment is locked until you complete all the activities in the course and the lesson assessments with a score of 80% or higher. Now let's look at some global features available throughout your learning journey. The dashboard serves as bookmarking and displays the last visited activity. Next is Competencies, which displays all the courses you have registered for. My Toolkit provides quick access to the Learning Journal, Discussion Board, Resource Center, and any announcements, or any direct messages from the instructor. Click your name, and then Profile to view your profile details, and check your progress. Click the notification icon for the latest notifications and announcements. Click Dashboard to continue your learning journey. If you have any questions throughout the course, reach out to your instructor, or academic success counselor, or support services.